Good morning. Welcome back to another vlog. It's actually the afternoon. Just ordered a coffee, my second coffee of the day. I always get a medium iced caramel latte with 2 pumps of blueberry. And it just is delicious. I don't know, I've been getting it for a long time. I'm also wearing a baseball cap. Don't think I look good in hats, but I was out in the sun a lot today and we gotta protect the skin. I'm gonna put this on and then we're gonna clean our kitchen cabinet together. This is the Too Faced Hangover Pillow Balm. What'd you do?
It disappeared.
Pink mint, so we're gonna put this on. Baby, I need you to put that back, okay? Let's see what this looks like. I don't know if it's gonna, oh, it is tinted. I thought this was gonna be more sheer. Wow, okay. Well, now we've created something interesting here. Why did I think this was gonna be sheer? Maybe because I used the clear and I was like, oh, the clear is really nice. I mean, super, maybe if I was tan, I wasn't wearing a baseball cap, maybe if things were different here. Fix it for mama. All right, we're gonna try to clean this kitchen cleaning drawer cabinet together. I'll show you guys the before, it's rough. And we'll work on the after. These feel really nice. I don't know if this color is for me, but the clear is real nice. So this is what we're looking like underneath the kitchen sink. And I really want it to be organized. It's just not, and there's just things shoved in here. But I love my cleaning stuff so much. I love my sponges. I love my dish soap. So we're gonna take everything out and put everything nicely back in. Okay, so I just took everything out. I left a couple things. I put them in the back after cleaning out the bottom. If you have any like holes near plumbing like that, then I would recommend putting steel wool because older homes, wow, you could get mice. So I'm gonna put these in first and then I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna put inside them. But I do have all my new sponges. If you watch my Amazon haul, I got a lot of sponges. So I wanna stack up the sponges in here because this will make me eternally happy. I'm aware that it's weird. Now I'm like, oh, I don't have enough. Wait, I'm missing a scrub daddy. No, I'm not. I only came with 3. I think the scrub daddies, the scrub mommies deserve to be in the front. Why am I the way I am? Okay, next, oh, I have the magic erasers too. So I think I'm going to fold up these microfiber cloths and the magic erasers. I'm gonna put those in here. So first I'm just gonna fold them so they look a little bit better. All right, I just rolled up the microfiber cloths and now I'm actually gonna put the magic erasers in with these sponges too, because why not? It's just gonna be a whole sponge container. How do I want to do this though? How many ways can you put sponges here? Like that. Okay. And then the scrub mommies. Much better. There we go. I don't know if this is even interesting, you guys, but I'm into this. Well, it's gonna make me feel better. In here, I think I have water, dish soap, and Fabuloso. That's all that's in here. Pine Sol. Ted! You wanna go on the couch? Pine Sol carpet cleaner. We're gonna stick this power paste in with the sponges. Nope, nope, knit it. fit. Okay, this makes me happy. This is all done now. It's a lot more organized. We're done. We did it. Morning. It's a couple of days later. Actually, I think it's a week later. I'm about to do my makeup, and then I wanted to show you guys this like romper workout outfit that I'm wearing because I got it off of Amazon and it feels like such good quality. So I want to show you that, but first I'm going to do some makeup. Also, look at my little station of makeup. How did that one get dirty? Ketchup from last night. Ketchup from last night. Ew. Put it near the sink for Mama, I'll wash it.
But how it got there?
I think you put it there. Okay, so this was my makeup station. I started doing makeup again on people, like for bridal and just, you know, any occasion. But it was so fun. I miss doing makeup so much. I also got this package from Clarins, and I tried these out already, and I really like them. It's a balm and an oil in one, and it does give like a tint to your lips. But these feel so moisturizing on the lips. 24-hour hydration, 12-hour comfort, plumped lips instantly. It's not like tingling or anything, but obsessed. They're so pretty. So I would highly recommend these. I like these over like the Dior gloss and the e.l.f. one. I like these better because it's more of like a balm formula. All right, let me do my makeup real quick. Okay, so this is my makeup. I wasn't planning to go all out, but then I saw all the products in front of me, and this is usually what I would do on a bride. So I just did it on myself, and I feel like it looks pretty and glowy. I really like this Artist Couture, which I rediscovered. This is in Conceited. Oh my God, I put it as my highlight, but I also put it on my lids, and it is just stunning, okay? What do you have, baby? Back it up a little. An orange dino. And I'm also really tan, like my body is. So I tried my best. Last time I think I talked to you, I was very pale, but I am a bit more tan today.
Another dino.
Another dino? Show them. Back it up though, see? There you go. Dinosaur, roar, dinosaur, roar. Oh, what a dinosaur. Okay, should we bring Daddy out now? All right, I'll show you my romper too. All right, don't yell. Baby sister's sleeping. Look at this. I did. That's okay. I'll show you better in the mirror because it's like so cute. It has like an underlayer. It's so cute. I love it. And these are all the products that I use on my face today. You want Bombas right now? Sure, grab the stool. All right, this is a little colorful snack haul.
That's very well.
What? Say that again?
Let's have that.
We don't have snacks? We don't have enough snacks?
Yes, I think we are missing something.
What are we missing?
Yoga.
Yogurt, you're right. But I am actually gonna place another order in a few minutes at a different store because I need to get some things, so I can add yogurt to it. All right.
You need to got it.
Well, I'll get it. So demanding. All right, some snacks in here. These are for the baby. These are Oakley's. We do need more snacks for him. I'm not gonna lie about that one. This one's making a mess, but she is eating. Look at how long her hair is getting. I could so put some pigtails in you now. I think so, because it's coming across your ears. You're a cute little baby. You're very cute. All right, let's get some Bombas.
This one and this one.
We'll do the Bombas because you've already had a couple of gummies today.
I think I want
Those are the baby. You won't like those. Those are just baby ones, baby. Baby ones, baby.
Baby one, baby.
Okay, I just tried to do a reel. I don't know if it came out good, but this is the outfit. I don't have my camera on vertical right now, so it kind of is. But so cute, so comfortable. I'm like obsessed with this. I need it in every color. This is the book that I'm currently reading. I'm almost halfway through. So far, I like it a lot. I liked the last book I read, The Inmate. Oh my God, that one was so good. And I just ordered Ward D. I think I have that one. I think I just got it in the mail yesterday. I don't remember. Yeah, I did. But I'm going to read this and then I'm going to read Ward D. But all these books from Frida McFadden, I love. They're so good. We're making pasta salad now. So we've got cheese tortellini, tomato. No, not yet. Not yet. Cheese tortellini, tomatoes, cheese, salami. Not yet. Chaos, cucumber. So we're gonna make this, and then I got hot dogs and just hot dogs and buns. So that's what we're having for tonight for dinner. Pasta salad with hot dogs. Okay, that's too much. Okay, so this is the pasta salad. I'm gonna mix it one more time, stick it in the fridge. Let it get nice and chilled, but super easy. I ended up not putting in the red onion, and also I'm pretty sure I got the wrong salami, but whatever. It's just like little chunks in there, but I mean, it's a pretty easy salad. It is 1:15, and I think it's the perfect time for an energy drink. I just put the baby down for a nap. Oakley's watching Corey Carson, and I'm gonna edit my vlog real quick, but I'm gonna have the Alani New. It doesn't sound like there's any rat inside. Pink slush, which I don't think I've had this one. I'm pretty sure I haven't, so let's give it a go and see if we like it. Yeah, I think we're all right. I haven't had a can since the whole incident, but I think we should be fine. Ooh, pink slush is good. I like this. I probably won't drink the whole thing. I'll probably drink half, but it's good. Okay, so drinking this Alani New. I am trying out this orange shampoo. Let me know if you have any recommendations though. My underarms have always been like on the darker side, like pigmentation. It's been like dark, and it literally looks like I need to shave my armpits. Oh, to me, that drives me crazy because I shave my armpits every single day, but the pigmentation in my armpits is just dark. So I've been trying out this orange soap, but I've only been trying it for a week. So let me know if you have any recommendations to lighten up your skin. Like, do I need to bleach my underarms? I don't know. Ugh. It drives me crazy. Anyway, what also drives me crazy is 3-year-olds. I don't know if you guys are hanging in, if you have a toddler, a 2, a 3, a 4-year-old, but I feel your pain if you are. I feel it. I really feel it in my soul because I question myself on a daily basis. Like, I also question him. I'm like, is he normal? Is this normal? What's going on? Are we gonna be okay? Are we gonna survive and make it? Because he has such rage built up in him, and the tantrums are crazy, the scratching. He gets so mad at me. He doesn't scratch Scott, but he scratches me, and he digs his nails into my hands on purpose when he gets mad. And it's just like so draining. I like every day. He's been good today. He actually acts worse when Scott's home, but he acts worse towards me. It's weird. But today he has been pretty normal, no tantrums so far. I find that water, like a shower or a bath or a pool or a sprinkler, and just like being outside, those two really help. But a lot of the days I'm like, is it 7 o'clock yet? I literally wake up and prepare for nighttime. I'm like, let's set it up now. Let's get it all together. Anyways, that's me like rambling about how crazy it's been lately. But I'm gonna end my vlog now. I don't know if it's super long, but I just wanted to vlog, update you guys, tell you I'm back into doing makeup. If you're local, message me. I would love to do your makeup. And then I wanted to show you this cutesy little thing. So I'm gonna edit this. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.